Everyone, how you doing? It is very happy to see you again into another video and welcome back to our channel. So guys, have you ever wondered how the content creator make the let's say the video story from the AI and what AI they use to create that content? So actually guys, if you ever wondered that surprisingly the CapCut also allows you and provide you that feature. So how to create the story free from the AI in CapCut. Here's the step guys. So we will going to of course open the CapCut here from your device, and here I'm using my phone here, and this is the home page, and we will going to the AI lab, and this is the look of the homepage of the AI lab. This section or this feature allows you to make the let's say the video story to be uploaded to your let's say your TikTok or the YouTube reel or in Instagram. And the first step I will do is I will click this try it, and disclaimer, make sure that you have already logged in into your account with this CapCut, because if you are not logged in, it don't allow you to make that. And this is the look, and let's say we can type the prompt here. This is the prompt or the content of the video and what caption that you would like to show to that video. Let's say I will type the benefits of going to nature after works with the best friend. Let's say I will tap the one point, or the first point is reducing the stress, enhance the health, three, connected to yourself and best friend. I will remove the capital letter of the C, and let's say it is affordable, and let's say you're done with this, and after that you can choose the visual. Let's say I will choose this anime, or you can expand it, and you can also pick one, the anime that represent what your video gonna be. Let's say I will choose this. I'm sorry, it can be chosen. And you can also choose the voiceover that will dub your every single caption on the video. Let's say I will choose this woman,
You're using the text to speech feature. Choose a voice you like.
and done. And I will keep the ratio is 9:16, and I will give done and generate it. And it will take you a while to generate this video, and also the ratio, the object, and also the caption that you would like to present into the video. So let us know, guys. Have you ever made the video for your content and what media that you would like to present your creations there? Let us let us know on the comment down below and let's share our tips and tricks together. And
The benefits of going to nature
there
after
you go.
work with the best friend. 1. Reducing the stress to enhance the health. 3. Connected to yourself and best friend. 4. It is affordable.
Okay, this is the look when you already made the story video from your AI, and this is from the CapCut too. How is wondering, and you already prepare for it to present it into your social media. I have exported so it can be ready to post it on the, let's say, your TikTok or your YouTube and also another social media platform. That's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and I hope this video interesting for you. Don't forget to practice it by yourself and let us know if this trick also works for you. And if you would like to know about another tutorial video of ours, and please follow or visit and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.